Today we learn how to set out the depth of an excavation using the benchmark levels. So what we're gonna need here, we're gonna need a plan, obviously. We need the benchmark value and we need the height of the wall that we're gonna do. So for this particular one, we're gonna use a retaining wall. So to calculate your retaining wall using the benchmark and the level of the retaining wall. So what you must do, what we need a book. First, you must write down the date to have a reference of when you did your calculations. So we have the date here. You write down the date, today's date. You can write either, if it's whenever the date is, you write down the date, and then you come here, you write the location of the excavation here, and then the type of an excavation. As we had said, it's a retaining wall, so we can either write retaining wall like this, retaining wall. Yes, and then we find the benchmark level. And then the benchmark level, what you do is, now another thing you're gonna need is a calculator. You must always have a calculator next to you because we're gonna do a lot of calculations. So now what you do is you find your benchmark level and then you find your wall level from the plan. So as you can see here, we have the benchmark value, subtract the platform level value. So what we got, our benchmark here, we have 1649.180 minus our level of the wall of the platform, we have 1653.492. And then you punch your calculator, you get 1649.180 minus 1653.492. Then it gives you the value of negative 4.312. This is the difference between the benchmark level, the benchmark value, and the platform level. So moving forward, you get your dumpy level now. You take the reading of your dumpy level from where the benchmark is situated. It's located. On the location of the benchmark, we get, this is the dumpy level value now. We get 2.440 plus the difference you got between the benchmark value and the platform value, which is negative 4.312. So we add to get the sum of the level. So it's plus 2.440. And then you get your value. It's negative 1.872. This negative 1.872, it's the value of the top of the retaining wall. So now we're calculating what we need here. We need the depth. How deep do you have to excavate to get to the base of the retaining wall? So now we get the height of the wall. We add with the sum that we got between the dumpy level value and the difference of the platform and the benchmark. So we get here, it's 5.7, that's the height of our wall, plus negative 1.7872, and then we get the level of 3.828, which means now from here, if you are to excavate, you must have an excavator, and with the excavator in the position of that wall that you're gonna excavate, you must excavate and then you use the dumpy level to take a reading. So your depth of the wall in the dumpy level should be 3.828. So until you get 3.828, you keep digging until you get to the level of 3.828. Then that's your depth of the retaining wall. And then that's it. Thank you for watching. Tune in again.